Howdy folks, Moose Peterson here on a beautiful balmy morning at 9 degrees up on Lolo Pass. This is the path that Lewis and Clark took west. Wintertime is a marvelous time to get out and photograph critters. You know, they're at their best many times when it comes to their pelts, and they have different kind of plumage. They're just busy doing that survival stuff, and you've got this gorgeous Christmas kind of atmosphere everywhere. But how do you take those pictures? More importantly, how do you do it comfortably, having fun and photographically successful? Because there's so many pitfalls that are out there waiting for you. And that's what I'm going to deal with. We're going to talk about things like clothing. You're going to learn you don't dress like me because I don't get cold. How do you prevent that? How do you go out and work with your gear in the cold weather? How do you bring it back in at night and not start that condensation cycle? How do you make sure you have a stable platform? What clothing do you need? How do you take care of yourself physically? And so much more. I mean, I'm going to cover a ton of this, as well as showing you the photographs, the do's and the don'ts, the possibilities, light your imagination, get you out here in the cold, embrace it, and have a lot of fun. So come and join me photographing critters in winters, exclusively here on KelbyOne.